If your Samsung washing machine SC code appears on the display, it means your washer is having trouble draining water properly. This error typically occurs when the drain cycle takes longer than expected, which can be caused by a clog in the drain hose, pump filter, or drain pump. Fortunately, in most cases, this issue can be fixed quickly without professional help. The first step to resolving the Samsung washing machine SC code is to check the drain hose. If the hose is bent, twisted, or blocked, water won't be able to flow out efficiently. Make sure the hose is positioned correctly and free from any obstructions. Straightening or cleaning the hose can often fix the problem immediately. Next, inspect the pump filter. Over time, dirt, lint, and small objects like coins or hairpins can accumulate in the filter, preventing water from draining properly. To clean the pump filter, locate it at the bottom front of the washer. Behind a small panel, open it carefully and remove any debris. Be sure to place a towel or container underneath to catch any excess water. If the Samsung washing machine SC code is still showing, you may need to check the drain pump itself. Sometimes small objects can get stuck inside, blocking the water flow. To access the pump, unplug the washer, remove the lower panel, and inspect the pump for any clogs. If necessary, clean it thoroughly and reassemble everything before restarting the machine. In some cases, the issue could be related to how the drain hose is installed. The hose should not be placed too high, as this can create a siphoning effect that prevents proper drainage. The end of the hose should be positioned at the recommended height according to the washer's manual. If the hose is not set up correctly, adjusting it may resolve the error. If you don't have time to troubleshoot, you can try a quick fix by unplugging the washer for a couple of minutes and then restarting it. This may temporarily reset the system and clear the Samsung washing machine SC code, but if the problem persists, it's best to address the root cause to prevent more serious issues in the future. One important safety tip: when working with the drain system, be cautious of water spilling out suddenly. If the tub is still full, remove as much water as possible before disconnecting any hoses. Keep a large container or towel ready to catch excess water to avoid a mess. By following these steps, you can usually resolve the Samsung washing machine SC code quickly and keep your washer running smoothly. Regularly checking and cleaning the drain system can also help prevent this issue from happening again.